Scotches.
No, look at it. It says, what letter is this? It says V. V-A-G-I-N-A. Vagina. And this is what? This is what?
Penis.
So girls have what?
Vaginas.
Vagina.
Vagina.
And boys have?
Come again.
Girls have?
A cottage.
Jesus Christ.
Come.
But
Look.
Blessings. Children live what they learn. This morning, some of the stories that we have here. Constable Maitland is still in custody but not charged in relation to Donnelly Donaldson's disappearance. Stay tuned. Also coming up, I have a video. Can't determine the date it was recorded, but validation of the story is still relevant. So that and more. However, I want you to remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. Soon forward. So we're going to take a look at the Donnelly Donaldson's mystery as usual, and Constable Noel Maitland remains in custody without being charged nearly a week after he was arrested in connection with the disappearance of his girlfriend Donnelly Donaldson. The policeman was questioned by detectives on Saturday, but this was unrelated to the disappearance of 24-year-old Donaldson. His attorney, Christopher Townsend, told the media that the session was about Constable Maitland obstructing the police, so they are now saying that Noel was only interrogated for obstructing or interference with the police investigation, nothing else. His lawyer Townsend said another attempt will likely be made this week to get the policeman released on bail. Shortly after Constable Maitland was arrested on Wednesday, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey said there was adequate evidence to link him to Miss Donaldson's disappearance. It was expected that an update on the case would be provided yesterday when the Jamaica Constabulary Force held its monthly media briefing, but due to the fact that yesterday was dedicated to emancipation, let's wait and see how long from now they will give an update on the matter. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Also remember that if you have reached this far, please I'm asking you to like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. So in this video that will be on your display shortly, I can't say if the video was captured a decade ago or not, but it will be new to many. The video is still relevant because the message is still trending among today's society, as in our relationships are handled on a daily basis. Most definitely, this is not the way in which we want to raise our children by having them absorbing these types of atmosphere. But nevertheless, here's the video. Be attentive.
Destruction is on you.
You say I'm dead now. You say I'm going dead. Go kill me.
You're going dead sooner or later. You have to dead.
Are you kill me?
You have to dead.
Yeah, kill.
Phone and I tell them say them will kill me right in front of people. Them I tell them say them will kill me.
Yes. She did say she will kill my father and kill with too. And I say she can't kill the father. Yes.
Go kill me.
You're going dead sooner or later. You have to dead.
Are you kill me?
You have to dead.
Hello. Kieran.
Yeah.
Want me alright? Honestly, me just a call because I want. Honestly, me just a call because I want to talk to the kids. That's all.
Me Listen.
Is that
you
possible?
have to stress out them people, brother.
Oh, me, I just the pit them turn, you know, long them not hear from me. Every time I call, you alone want to come on the phone, and you alone want to talk to me.
Brother, you're stressing.
4 kids, them, and them don't want to talk to me.
Call and I tell you putting them both hospital and something wrong with you. Why you have
But
to
something
do
really wrong with my ears, me, I tell you, some of my ears is not
that?
lying, me, I tell you.
Nothing wrong with you. I must be mental hospital. You want anything. Nothing wrong with you. It's a fucking wicked and lying.
So you say, you're not going to make me talk to them?
You know they was running me right now.
No, I'm not going to ever do wish for you there. Alright, won't kill me.
You're gonna dead sooner or later. You have to dead.
Are you kill me?
You have to dead.
You kill me.
And I make you kill.
Yeah. So, you don't know me already, you know my name. I have a little situation where my life is threatened. Go police station, go report it, nothing now come outside. You know, I don't want to be one of them man there where you see on the news, where do them woman things. So, listen, me there home. All me want, I just this lady here, to return the children she stole. You're using the children to sleep with your father. You understand? The whole only sleeping at the one room because you're the man having sex. Right? You cannot give me the children then because you and him want go and be in the room afterwards. Right now, me I talk to you. People, me I work hard and my ears damaged. Right now, something turn over and my ears damaged. Me not hear nothing out to the side of ears here. And between me having to feed my hospital bills and deal with this girl, it has stressed me right out. Me now go a country could do nobody nothing. You understand? Me I stay with me there. And me know say I'm my pitney them. And me know Jamaica is a fair place. And one thing me know Jamaica is a fair place. People must help me make me see about my pitney them. You see me? I must see them back. And me I try. You see me? Me I try.
There you have it. Leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section.
Party time out every day, you know. I'm glad I had them front set, yeah. So I them 4 vehicles I get touched. I just got the gas down.
Now that video you just saw on your display, it was sent to me detailed or titled saying it is that of a car mart on Hagley Park Road across from Tire Warehouse. It is said that 2 highest bus, 1 Noel, and the truck was totally destroyed or damaged, and rumors or speculations are saying it was intentionally or deliberately lit because of late extortion money that hasn't been received by the extortionist. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Also remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching once more. Stay safe.